Here are my 3 tips as an LCM piano teacher. Practice each hand separately and make sure that you spend extra time to practice the trill in the right hand. When you feel safe with the trill, try to play it with the left hand. And let your left hand count the beat. Let me show you. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. Just practice the trill very well and then count the left hand beats. In the bars 11th and 15th, we have triplets. These are triplets. We should play all 3 notes even. Let's count them as triole. Triole. Let me show you by counting them. Of course, with other notes. 1 and 2 and triole, 1 and 2 and 3 and. And in the 15th bar, 1 and 2 and triole, 1 and 2 and 3 and. You should spend extra time on these bars, and you'll see it will be easier in a very short time. In this minuet, there are lots of patterns. Let's find them. Divide this piece into 3 groups like A, B, and C. Here in the group B, there is the same melodic pattern. The notes are different, but they follow the same pattern. So you can divide the group B as B1 and B2. In B1, we are doing this melodic pattern. And in B2, we are doing exactly the same. Even the finger numbers are the same. In the last section, try to understand what exactly happens. It's not hard as it seems. Practice each hand separately and notice the chromatic movement in the right hand. It starts with G. And when you come to C note, you should use your second finger for the next B note. And again, when you come to F, use your second finger for D. So as you see, it's a chromatic movement. Divide the bars in the section and teach your fingers muscles how to play them. Don't rush it, okay? Just don't practice all the bars at a time. You should divide them like 2 bars, 2 bars, and 2 bars, and the last 2 bars. And the most important tip is